Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I'm going to show you a mini album that I just finished making, and this one is truly a combination mini album and journal, and I'll show you why in a few minutes. I made this with the Marrakesh paper collection. This is one of those hot buy pads by Craftsmith, and it's got gorgeous papers. Some of it is foiled and beautiful rich colors in here. So let me show you the mini album. On the cover, I have a little tag that says, "I am a beautiful, ambitious, tough woman." That's one of the tags in the paper collection. The album is held closed with an elastic, and I've got some trim on the edge here, and I've got some fabric on the spine. This is a sort of pleated satin type fabric. It looks really pretty. And then here's the back. It's just plain, again, paper from the collection. On the side, I made this little flower, and this is the part that's the journal. It's similar to all of the journals that you see with the elastics, and the pages are inserted in the middle. So I've got 5 signatures on here. And the way I made this is I just constructed my album the same as I normally do, and then I punched in the holes and added my eyelets, and then I ran the elastic through, and I just tied it together underneath this flower. So I'll show you the inside. So here you can see the elastics in between each of the mini album pages, and you can slide some more sheets under there as you want. I used a combination of papers for these journaling pages. So let me take you through the album itself. I have a waterfall on the inside front cover, and this is held closed with a magnet. And here's a flap. This opens up like that, so there's room for journaling under here and there. I didn't want to make it too thick because of the journaling pages in there. And each of the pages has a tag that can be used either for journaling or for adding photos. And here's the back of the page. I have a double pocket, and I inserted some tags in here. These are from the Vintage Ladies printables, and I thought that they would be appropriate because of the title, Beautiful, Ambitious, Tough Woman. On this side, I have a little tag, and you can slide something behind there, and this is parchment paper that I used to make these pages. And when I cut it, I left the edges a little bit rough like that. It makes it look kind of vintagey. And then inside I have some more papers. I have a sheet of music paper, and then this is sketch paper, and then there's another sheet here. So as you can see, this elastic is doubled, so you could also add something else on the side if you like. So I can pull this out, and just have this on underneath one elastic, and then I can always use the other elastic to slide something else underneath it. But because I only have the journaling pages, I'm just using both elastics to hold these in place. So here's the next page. This has a flap that folds over to the right. Again, it's gorgeous paper. This page is foiled, so it will be a beautiful backdrop for a photo. And there's a tag. And here I have vertical pockets, and I've got 2 more cutouts from the paper pack. The best is still to come, and this opens like that, so you can journal on the inside. And there's another tag. Another picture from the Vintage Ladies printables. And this says, "You go for it." Again, some more parchment paper. Sketch paper. So as well as photos, there's lots of room for journaling. I'll be listing this album in my Etsy shop, so I'll include a link below. There's another flap and a tag. Another printable, and this is also a printable. I'll include links to those as well. And there's another sheet of music. And here's another flap. Another pull-out, and I've got 2 more pull-outs here. See what happens if you don't give up and live a positive life. So these are nice affirmations. And here's another tag for a photo. Be kind, save a life. You can slide something back here. Again, more journaling pages. This tag. So if you make a mini album, just make it in whatever style you like, and then just leave enough room in between your pages to punch the holes. And you can feed these elastics through, and it's a great way to incorporate your journaling in your mini album. Here's another tag and a little tag you can write in. I'm hoping to make another one of these albums. They're a lot of fun to make, so that's what I'll be working on in my craft room today. So have a great day and happy scrapping. Bye.